In this video, I will demonstrate how to make a yarn butterfly. It's a handy little center pull ball for a small amount of yarn that you might use for contrast vertical stranding or areas of intarsia. So you'll start with a piece of yarn the length that you want. Mine is about 30 inches. You hold the ends in your hand, wrap around the index finger, cross over, and wrap around the thumb. You'll continue in this figure 8 pattern until you have about 2 inches of yarn left or more. Take this off and pinch the center. Wrap your tail around a few times and then feed it through and pull it snug. Then you have a very mini center pull ball kind of thing, so you can work from here. So there's your yarn butterfly.